Hi everybody, my name is Isa and this is Moody Eye Makeup channel. Today I'm gonna do makeup look according to my color analysis. If you don't know what season color analysis is, then check it out. A lot of people are explaining this into detail on YouTube. You can find pictures on Pinterest as well. It's kinda a thing, but it goes more towards fashion, but it applies for makeup as well. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Basically, seasonal color analysis, it's analyzing your features and finding out which shades of colors and which colors are suiting you the best. What I actually really like about this trend is that it's not focusing only on one thing. As for example, if you have blue eyes, everybody says like orange. Orange is in the opposite on the color wheel, so it's going to emphasize your eyes. But in my example, orange doesn't suit me at all. I have dark blue eyes, but because of my skin, because of my complexion, my hair, I actually look really sick with orange or yellow, or with some shades that are leaning too much on the warm side. With my color analysis, I'm summer soft. I have dark grayish blue eyes. I have dark blonde hair. This is very close to my natural color. Here it's my natural color. I'm just like a little bit, just a tiny bit lighter. And my skin is very light and neutral. Sorry that I'm constantly correcting my hair, but it's just like annoying me a little bit. For my type, I suit very muted pastel shades that are more cool toned than warm toned. So for example, let's pick a color, pink. So very bright, very Barbie-like, strong pink is not going to suit me. But muted, more kind of a pastel, more cool toned pink, not so warm toned pink, is going to suit me so well. All the bright shades except of red for me are off the limit. So just let me explain for a second. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't wear any of the colors that don't suit you. You can wear anything you want. This is more a guide for feeling your best and looking your best, but of course, if you want to wear anything else, you can. Like you can see that a lot of the time I use like an orange eyeshadow, even though that it doesn't suit me, because I like to use different colors, I like to play with colors, but for every day I want to look my best in a more like natural way. So that doesn't apply only for fashion, but of course also for makeup. I'm gonna use Glam palette from Natasha Denona. This is the best eyeshadow palette for my soft summer type. It has some a little bit more like a warm tone shades, but they're all muted. I think that pink really and dusty shades really suit me. Let me know if you think that this look is going to be like my most complimentary so far. I'm starting with this shade right here, which is called Nude Mauve, and I'm applying this one in my crease. It's a very soft shade and it's a perfect one for crease. And I'm applying the same shade underneath my eyes as well to widen my eyes a little bit. And I'm just gonna smudge it. And now I'm gonna use the shade Andy, which is like, I love this shade. This is like a lavender type of shade. It's purple, it's more cool toned. And I'm going just a little bit below that crease with this one and more in the outer corner, like that. And then I'm pulling it upwards. And actually I'm gonna use the same shade underneath my eyes. I'm using bigger, fluffier brush with this very light shade, just to kind of clean the upper edges as well, make them appear more softer. Then I'm gonna use this shimmery shade, Glitz, using my finger, and I'm pressing it into my center part of my eyelids and going into my inner corner. That's so nice. And then I'm using a very, very small amount on my pinky and applying it right here. So I really don't want to create a very dark look. I just want like an everyday romantic makeup look, basically. So I'm gonna now use eye pencil, and this is from Eldridge. It's in the shade Renaissance Gold. I love this one. It's my favorite eye pencil. I'm gonna use it in my waterline actually. So hard to do that with holding a mirror. In my waterline and just a little bit below, and then on my tight line as well. Then I'm just gonna smudge that out a little bit using a very small dense brush. I'm gonna create a small, like just a little bit of dusty eyeshadow on my upper eyelash. So I'm gonna use this shade. This is called Apart. It's a dark brown, but it's more grayish brown. So I'm just pressing it into my outer corner and then I'm pulling it upwards. And I just want to elongate my eyes a little bit more. So I'm creating this kind of a soft wing. I'm gonna apply my Kitten Lash mascara from Eldridge. And for my cheeks, I decided to use Hollywood. This is actually Glow Glide Face Architect highlighter in the shade Pillow Talk Glow. So it's essentially a highlighter, but it's a little bit too dark for me. And I love to wear it as a blush slash highlighter. And the shade is perfect for me. It's very subtle, but it feels very and looks very luxurious. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna actually use, where it is? Oh, my Plumping lip. So for my lips, I'm gonna actually use my Plumping lip liner from Catrice. This is in the shade Queen Vibes, and it's actually a contoury shade for me. And then a Max Factor 2000 calorie lip glaze. This is actually my new favorite. I love it. I wear it every day basically. So I'm done with my makeup. What do you think? I'm so curious. Do you think this is the most flattering look that I have ever done on myself, or would you pick some other shades for me? Please don't forget to comment. I'm so excited for this one because I actually feel the best in these shades. And I think that this seasonal color analysis actually works. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And see you in my next video. Bye!